Convert the decimal numerator and denominator in the following fraction into whole numbers and rewrite the fraction. 141.513 by 0.43. Look at the fraction with decimal 141.513 as numerator and 0.43 as denominator. The numerator has 3 decimal places, but the denominator has 2 decimal places. We have to make the decimal places in both numerator and denominator equal. We do this by adding a 0 in denominator. Adding a 0 after decimal does not change the value of the number. Remember, multiplying both numerator and denominator by the same number does not change its value. Now, both numerator and denominator have 3 decimal places. Multiply both by 1,000. The decimal in both numerator and denominator will shift by 3 decimal places. So we get 141513 by 430 as the resulting fraction. This is our answer. We omitted the decimal at the end of the numerator and denominator, as decimal at the end of a number does not have any value and can be omitted.